This is part 3 of section 2.3. On this last problem, we are given an equation in general form, and we are asked to use intercepts to graph. Now, the computer is going to be very picky. You could theoretically draw the correct line, but if the points you use on the computer to draw the line are not the intercepts, it's going to count it wrong. So make sure that you actually use the intercepts to get the graph drawn. Now, to find our intercepts, all we do is we plug in 0 for x and then 0 for y, get 2 points, and draw them. So let's just say if x is equal to 0. If x is 0, what I have is 6 times 0, which goes away. So I have negative 9y minus 18 is equal to 0. So let's add 18 to both sides right there to get negative 9y is equal to positive 18. Divide both sides by negative 9. And you get y is equal to negative 2. This is the point 0, x. Y is negative 2. And it is our y-intercept. 0, negative 2 is right there. Okay. Now, what if y is 0? This is going to give us our x-intercept. Well, if y is 0, I have 6x minus 9 times 0, so that just goes away. Minus 18 is equal to 0. Move the 18 to the right. 6x is equal to 18. Divide both sides by a 6. And you get x is equal to 3. So this would be the point 3, 0, which is right here. Okay, now draw these with a straight line, which will be right like this. Okay. Now, what I was saying earlier about making sure you plot these 2 points, it looks like this line also goes through this point right here. And when you're using the computer, you could theoretically plot here and get the correct line. But they don't want you to plot this point. They want you to plot these two. So just be sure you do that, and you should avoid that kind of little mistake that the computer's going to be picky about.